My name is Ashwitha. I am 2025 graduate from Shadan Men's College of Engineering, which is situated in Hyderabad. I've took up a course. I took up a testing course in Qspiders in December 24, and I got placed in December 25. During my course, manual testing is taught by Hemant sir, and Core Java is taught by Kaushik sir. SQL is taught by Revant Reddy sir, and Selenium is taught by Nandini ma'am. And during the requirements, HRs will interact with us very closely, and they helped me a lot. And the we have weekly mocks which helped me a lot. Thank you, Qspiders.